Welcome to Titan Machinery of Williston. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating a 2006 Case 580M with 1,570 hours. Let's take a closer look at the features on this loader backhoe. This Case 580M features an extendable dipper with a fixed 24-inch general purpose bucket. This 580M is powered by an 80 horsepower engine with a standard transmission and 4-wheel drive. The rear tires are 19.5 by 24s and the front tires are 12 by 16.5s. The cab is fully enclosed and is equipped with heating and a standard seat. Thank you for viewing this Case 580M. If you're interested in this loader backhoe and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-577-0024. To view other available used equipment, check out williston.titanmachinery.com.